as an entrepreneur, you start small, you have big ambition, of course, but you start small and then you go level up that way. So when you think about how to approach, because your goal is sustainable food for everyone, and you're starting off with the meal prep service, essentially, right?
Yeah.
How did you like decide to chunk it that way, and then how do you plan to parlay up to making a larger and larger impact that way?
It's how you divide this into different problems you want to solve. Okay. If you start by looking at the entire value chain of this, there's a lot of touch points on it and the
It's
cost of,
impossible, right? For
yeah.
one.
If you look at prepared meal today, the whole idea is to say, how can we keep the cost of a prepared meal under $10?
Mm.
Okay. And so that's really at the center. That's why it took us, a while to figure out the model. We've been working on this for 2 years now and been testing this with different people in the sector to really pressure test whether we can actually scale. There's one aspect which is your supply chain. And that's why when you leverage AI over time, it really learns how to optimize products that you want to buy in terms of quantity. Okay. Don't buy more than what you need. By using AI, it helps you understand also seasonality of a product and plan ahead of time when to buy the products so the cost is lower. Second aspect, which is huge in that field, is food waste. If you look at everything being produced today, 60 to 65% of any produce is being wasted on the value chain. So the consumers at the end get 35 products of what's being produced around. The rest get wasted. So it's looking at new ways of food preservation. And there's a couple of technology we've been looking at and conserving, preserving the nutritional benefits of the product. After that, the idea is that how you can create a model where on the $10, you can have what you need to function as a human, to be fulfilled, that is healthy. And then how this model is flexible enough to actually do add-ons on it. So you have elasticity on the pricing system. So people can afford is going to buy actually this great protein in addition to this great product, etc. And so they're going to be playing on higher margins because they can afford. And this then actually funnel and finance the $9.99 meals for the ones that cannot afford. So it's a kind of a price elasticity with a solidarity system in it.